I'm Kelly on behalf of Expert Village. I'm going to show you how to shape your brows. In conclusion, you want to make sure that you're properly shaping your brow before you tweeze. So again, you just want to take your brush, hold it vertically up from the corner of the nose, out from the corner of the nose over the center of the eye, and out from the corner of the nose to the outer corner of the eye. And you also want to do a horizontal test to make sure that they're even. When you do this, you also want to make sure you're marking your points with a pencil. That'll make it a lot easier for you to tweeze and make sure you don't over tweeze the brow. And then if you have a fuller brow, you can shape it with a brow gel to hold it in place, or you can fill it in. If you have more of a sparse brow, you can fill it in and set it with a brow wax. Also, just applying a really nice light eyeshadow to the brow bone that has a little bit of a luminescence to it will really set off the nice shape you've created for your brow and brighten and lift the eye. So if you do all those steps, you'll ensure that you don't over tweeze the brow, and it'll leave you with a really nice, perfect shape.